It's starting.
6 degrees south by southeast. Wait. He's back.
Cooling and soothing Hall's air. What are you breathing?